everyone. I missed the countdown. Anywho, welcome to history class. I'm Mr. McCorquodale-Bauer, or Mr. M. I will be your history teacher this semester. I really look forward to working with you. Yeah, in the background is my area of work, all the different desks. That's where all your other InformNet teachers teach. They're not here right now. It's bright and early in the morning. So anyway, yeah, we will all work together. We'll talk about that in a later video. Anyway, this is your class. What I really want to bring to your attention is the announcements right here, right there. Right here is the announcements. Where was I? Oh yeah, so basically anything important I will post there. This is where this video will be posted. But the most important part of this class is content. Content is showing up to class. I've also put content right here, so it's two places, you can't miss it. Now whenever you click on content, now my view is different because I'm a teacher, you're a student. So whenever you click on it, you're going to just see the one module, and it's only going to open up one at a time. This is an idea called release conditions. There's actually going to be a slide right away that explains it. Basically, you have to unlock levels. It's basically just moving through the pace of the course at your own pace, but you can't skip ahead. You can't go and write the final assessment without first doing lesson 1, lesson 2, assignment 1, lesson 3, assignment 2, so on and so forth. So content is super important, as well as being able to email me through Brightspace. If I send you an email through Brightspace and you reply through your Gmail, it won't work. This is explained in the introduction right off the bat. So be sure to go through the introduction. Send me an email through Brightspace. That will be through class list. Once again, this will be explained. I'm going to keep this video short because generally whenever I keep it over 3 minutes, people stop watching. So anywho, welcome to the course. I really look forward to working with you. I'm Mr. McCorquodale-Bauer.